Okay, let's talk about the tax profile. Now, it's very important that you set up the tax profile. What it does is makes the calculations correct and brings you basically above or below the tax-free threshold and sets up some important settings so we can calculate tax correctly. How do you do it? You go to tax, then you go to tax profile and follow the bouncing ball. So if your business is registered for GST, you'll see some of these GST settings in here. Has the ATO requested you pay PAYG installments? Now, you would have got a letter or you'll be able to see that in your MyGov account. And if they have, select yes, and then enter the installment amounts. And then, are you registered for PAYG withholding? Choose yes or no, whether you are or not. PAYG reporting period, is it quarterly, annually, or is it monthly? Choose that option. And then, do you have any carryover losses from previous years? Now, that's important because that contributes to your overall tax calculation. Now, if you are registered for GST, you will have, you'll be asked for your BAS reporting period. Is that quarterly, annually, or monthly? Choose the correct option. And then, would you like to calculate depreciation automatically? By default, this is yes, and I would probably leave it there. That's very important for when you start to save assets and liabilities in the Thriday Asset and Liability Register. It means that your depreciation is calculated automatically and those deductions come off your tax bill. Personal details. So do you have any other net income outside of Thriday? So your business might be a side hustle and you have a job outside of Thriday. It's important to put the income for that job under employment income and any other income under other net income outside of Thriday. Student loans, if you have any student loans, you can select yes. What's your residency status? Are you an Australian resident for tax purposes, yes or no? Do you have private hospital cover? Of course, that is important because of the tax calculated based on whether you pay that or not, based on your income. So very easy to set up your tax profile, but also a very important step.